Okay, guys, we're going to try to figure out what happened to an equation, and we got two fractions. Okay, if we add the same number to the numerator and to the denominator, what's gonna happen? Okay, is it gonna be the new fraction is gonna be greater or less? So we got some example. Let's say I have 6/7. I put that's plus one and plus one in the numerator, plus one in the denominator. This one is greater or less? I don't know. Here, let's say I plus 2. This is an example. I put plus 2, numerator and denominator. Does that mean this one become greater or less? Here, I put, this is, here it's like plus 4, numerator and denominator. What's going to happen? The new fraction is going to be greater or less. So we're going to try to get a generalization from there. Okay, that's some examples. So we try to figure out what happened when in a fraction when we add the same number, okay, the same whole number to the numerator and to the denominator. Let's try to figure out uh, what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's do this. So we got those two fractions. So let's say this one is greater. Okay, let's say the new fraction is, if the new fraction is greater. So if I make a subtraction, let's say a plus n, b plus n, right? So let me make a subtractions. Okay, I make a subtractions minus a over b. Okay, so if I do these subtractions, so if I got a positive value, I will say the new fraction is greater. Okay, if I got a positive value, let's work on it to find out what we're gonna have. Okay, let's work on it. So I'm gonna have this is gonna give me b time a plus n minus a time b plus n, right? And then over b time b plus n. Okay, so b time, in this case, b time b plus n gonna always be positive, so this is a fraction, so we are pretty sure the denominator gonna be positive. Let's work on the numerator. Let's work on the numerator because the denominator gonna be positive. So if the denominator is positive, we just need the numerator to be positive. Okay, so let's work on it. So this, the numerator gonna be like ab, okay, a time b plus nb, right? nb, and then we got here minus ab, and then we have minus na. Okay, so that's what we have for the numerator. We don't work on the denominator because we know this is gonna be positive. Okay, let's work on it. So we don't have any ab, so I end up n time b minus n time a. So if I factor n time b minus a, I know n is a positive number, it's a whole number. So I know n is a positive number. So in order for this to be really a positive number, I just need b minus a. So only if b minus a. So if b minus a positive, right? If b minus a greater than 0, a positive number, I'm pretty sure in this case, every time I add the same whole number to the numerator and denominator, I'm going to end up with a new fraction greater than the previous fractions. Okay, example, like I say, let's take an example. Let's say 6, 7. Okay, let's put 1. I put 1 numerator, that gives me 7. I put 1 here, and denominator, that gives me 8. Okay, so for the formula, if that's b, right, and that's a. So if b minus a, in this case b minus a, this is 7 minus 6, that gives me 1. This is a positive number. I'm pretty sure these new fractions is greater. Okay, I'm pretty sure the new fraction is greater. I can take whatever the example. Let's say example 4/9, and then let's put 3. Okay, if I put 3 here, I got 7. If I put 3 here, I got 12. So the fact that b minus a, that means 9 minus 4 is positive, I'm pretty sure this new fraction, since I add 4 to both of them, I'm pretty sure this new fraction is greater. Okay, but otherwise, example, if I had 9/4 and then 9/4, okay, that's different. Since here b minus a is not positive, let's say I put 4 or whatever, let's say I put 3, I'm gonna have here like 12, right? And then here I'm gonna have like I'm gonna have like 7. So in this case, this is really different because b minus a, the b gonna be 4. I'm gonna have 4 minus 9. This is a negative number. So the new fraction is not greater. The new fraction is less. Okay, that's the way to go. So that's really a fast uh, tips if you want to compare two fractions. If in the case that you add the same number to the numerator and to the denominator. Okay.